Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I have an incredible haul that I want to share with you guys. I was at Giant Food Stores and they are on fire this week with the digital coupons. There's no extra promotions or anything like that. It's just strictly the sales with the digital coupons. This is everything that I got. And I'm going to go over each and every item with you and show you the coupon and tell you how much it costs. But before I get into that, I do need you guys to do me a favor. I am on the road to hitting 12,000 subscribers on YouTube. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I need you to subscribe to Nicole is Making It Happen on YouTube. And hit the bell right next to it so you get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on anything. If you're watching this video on Facebook, I need you to hit that follow button. I'm trying to get to 8,000 followers on Facebook. So guys, let's jump right into the deal. You don't need any paper coupons. You don't need any apps. The only thing you need is your Giant app. You don't need Ibotta or Fetch or anything else to save. Just your Giant app so that you can clip the digital coupons. So the first item that we're going to go over is this Glade warmer right here. This is regularly it's actually $1.99, but you're going to clip this $1.78 digital coupon. That's going to make this only 21 cents. And you see this coupon is good until February 13th. So these are $1.99. This is going to cost you 21 cents. Excellent, excellent deal. The next item we're going to concentrate on is this Febreze plug. Now, this Febreze plug is regularly $3.59, but it is on sale this week for $3. And what makes it so nice is that they have this $2.30 digital coupon that is attaching. This coupon is good until February 10th. So you have a couple more days to still take advantage of this. But I believe the sale for the plug ends on the 9th. Or actually the 8th, which is Thursday. But you want to clip this $2.30 digital coupon. That makes that plug just 70 cents. Again, excellent, excellent deal. The next thing we're going to go over is this Febreze air spray. Now, all of the single Febreze air sprays are on sale this week for $3. They're regularly $3.79, but they're on sale for $3. And we have another beautiful digital coupon to go with that. The digital coupon is $2.30. So that means we're just going to pay 70 cents for that air spray. Excellent, excellent deal. Next, we're going to talk about the Febreze Small Space. The Febreze Small Space, again, is regularly $3.79. It's on sale for $3. And again, we have another $2.30 digital coupon to go with that. So that means we're going to just pay 70 cents for our small space. So those are some really good deals, guys, to get some Febreze products. Even if you don't need them now, I would still get them because these are what you call stock up prices. I mean, you're paying 70 cents for a bottle of Febreze or 70 cents for a Febreze small space, and they're regularly $3.79. You're saving $3.09 on each one of these products. I don't know where else you're going to get such a good deal on Febreze like that. Now, I'm calling this the deal of the week. This is an unbelievable deal. I don't know if maybe they didn't mean to put this razor on sale or what, but this is an incredible deal. So you're going to look for the Big Soleil razors. This razor right here. It's regularly $8.99, but this week it is on sale for $4.19. That's a good deal right there, because that means that just the $4.19 sale, it is more than 50% off. But look, guys, this $4 digital coupon does attach to that. So that means you're going to pay 19 cents for these razors. Guys, where are you going to get some Bic Soleil razors for 19 cents? That is less than 90% off. I mean, if they were 90% off, they would cost us 89 cents. So if I were you, again, even if you don't need the razors, I would still get them, because again, that's what we call a stock up price. You guys know I'm always dropping something in my videos, whether it's in the store or at home or whatever. Okay, the next thing that I want to go over are these travel size Pantene shampoos. Now, you can get the shampoo or the conditioner, totally up to you, but you want to grab 3 of them, okay? They are regularly $1.69, but if you grab 3 of them, then look, you can use this $5 off digital coupon. 3 times $1.69 comes to $5.07. So that means we're going to use our $5 digital coupon and pay 7 cents for 3 of these. So guys, you can get the shampoo, you can get the conditioner, you can mix and match, do whatever you want, whatever's best for you. But let me tell you, some people say, I don't like buying those small things of shampoo or body wash. That's a waste of time. Well, when you can get 3 of the small ones for 7 cents, when you add them all up together, then they equal a big bottle. But these are perfect, guys, for when you're going to stay the night somewhere, when you're going out of town, when you're going on vacation, when you have company over, and also when you run out of your big items. You can always use them. I like to use them in my shower and things because it takes up less space in the shower, but totally up to you. I'm just showing you different ways to save. But let me tell you guys a secret, especially for those of you who do reselling, who make baskets. These little travel items are perfect for baskets, for little gifts, for your coworkers, grab bag gifts. Like during Christmas, I probably sell about 20 of those little baskets with the little travel items, because people get them for their coworkers and grab bags, and they love them when I put them in their baskets. So just a little side note for that. So now the next thing that we're going to go over is going to be the Old Spice body wash. So let me show you what they look like. Again, these are $1.69 also. So you want to grab 3 of these, okay? They're 3 fluid ounces. And when you grab 3, again, there is a $5 digital coupon that you can use. So this is the same deal, just like the Pantene shampoo and things. So 3 of these will cost you 7 cents. So again, you can use these for baskets, giveaways, going out of town, anything you want. The last thing that we're going to go over is the Olay body wash. Now, that deal is similar to the last 2 deals that we just did, but you're going to pay just a little more for those. So all of these small items, guys, are located in the travel section. So make sure that you look there. Now, the Olay body wash is $1.59, whereas the Pantene and the Old Spice were $1.69. So again, you want to grab 3 of those, and then you want to clip this a $5 digital coupon. So that's going to come to $4.77. So that's going to give you an overage of 23 cents, which helps out which actually pays for the Old Spice and the Pantene, or you could say it pays for the razors, or however you want to put it together. But those Olay body washes ends up being free for you and a money maker. Now, there was one more item that I did get, and I believe I left it upstairs, but I do have the information here on my phone, so I'm going to share that with you. I got some of the Oral-B floss picks. They are $1.99. They're regularly $2.49, but they're on sale this week for $1.99. And there is this $1 digital coupon that you can use. So that brings these floss picks down to just 99 cents. So guys, with everything that I got, my total, including the floss picks, which aren't pictured, is $3.40. Unbelievable deal. So guys, get out to Giant because all of these deals are good through Thursday, February 8th. On Friday, the new sale starts. So you still have a couple days to take advantage of these deals. Come back. Let me know what you were able to get. Let me know what your total was. And until the next time, keep on saving.